Good afternoon. Today we are going to discuss other institutions they support in finance, banking, and there are some of non-banking institutions they support business sectors and their financing and how to start a business. If we come to the point of how exactly we should plan for the financing, then we have to think about what are the opportunities of getting finance and we have to avail those opportunities. So there are institutions which are central level and state level institution also we have discussed long back others modules also, like Karnataka State Financial Corporations. If you start your SSI, ICICI, if you start your SME or others, SSI units, there they will be requiring the business plans and report, etc. We have discussed already earlier modules. Those project reports should be submitted to them and you will be getting the finance from them. There are many other sectors banking which are supporting in banking. They are the source of banking. Very important is NABARD, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. NABARD, it was established in 1982. It was established in 1982 to promote the agriculture sectors and rural non-farming sectors. It provides the refinance assistance to the state cooperative bank, regional rural bank and other approved institutions for all kind of productions and investment credit to industry, artisans, cottage, village industries, handicraft and other allied industries also. NABARD also helps to entrepreneurs in procuring loan for setting up industries. Mainly it is having four functions, mainly NABARD. It is having a credit planning for the business, financial services for the companies, and promotions and development also. They are going for now, they are introducing themselves in financial and development also. Supervision, that also they do for the government. NABARD has brought a number of innovations in rural credit domain and rural infrastructure funds like Kisan Credit Card, etc. For that they got very awards. They got the award also, and like they are having that is recognized by the government. Next is HUDCO. HUDCO is also, as per H, you can understand, HUDCO is well known for Housing and Urban Development Corporation. It is a public sector. You must be knowing public sector where the public money as well as government money both and the control by the government, they are having it, but wholly owned by the government of India. So HUDCO, it was incorporated in 1970, a private limited company, and then it converted into public limited company in 1986. HUDCO was established with an equity base of 2 crore and later on it has gone to 5,520 crore. The primary role of the HUDCO just to provide assistance to urban and social sectors, infrastructural and creation of housing facilities and industry sectors also. It is a ISO 9001 and 2008 company. Its main functions are Okay, mainly award they got for their functions like Habitat Council of Honor Award, Prime Minister Awards, Excellence being top 10 sectors institution in India, Mini Ratna Awards in central government, Excellence Award IEE 2007. Another very important, okay, banking who is supporting business should be Small Industry Development Bank of India. It was founded in 1990 under the Act of Parliament. The principal financial institution for the promotions, it is financing development of SME, okay, middle SSI units. Also, they support for equity loans, term loan, working capitals, venture capitals, also various form support to bank and other institutions. SIDBI seek to empower the MSME sector with a view of provide the process of economic growth, employment development and the balanced regional development with four main functions they are having. One is financing, already you know, promotions, development and coordination. Coordination among all the which we have listed out above. SIDBI finances technology transfer, upgradation, quality improvement, program, export promotions, environment care and rural industrialization also. There are, apart from these three, there are having non-banking institution also. This is TCO, Technical Consultancy Organizations, EPC, Export Promotion Council, Industry Associations, Business Incubators and Venture Capitals. Okay, and non-government organization, NGO also. Okay, that I miss out here, but that is also government. Okay, so I talk about non-government organizations. Nowadays, lots of companies, they are helping the society. Even Corona time, many NGO companies, they have come forward to support the public, and even for the medical people, okay, even government also. So apart from the central and state level and bank bodies, we have discussed NABARD, HUDCO and SIDBI. We are having non-banking institution, that is one of them is very important, NGO. It is provide the assistance to the social sector mainly, and finance assistance, training, marketing support, legal advice to MSME under SSI policy of Government of India, to assist the SME through NGOs. A few training program for unemployed youth also they are providing. They promote entrepreneurship by developing and strength and giving, okay, a link between buyers and seller. They provide that link also. So that is one of another very non-banking institution is very important, which support the banking, not in banking, but it is a finance. It suppose venture capital. That is a new concept. It has come in late 90s, where everybody was going for venture capital. Actually, meaning and role of the entrepreneur is actually what they do. The finance, it is a finance invested by professional. Okay, you got professional who are working, they are having shareholder, and a startup with the growth potential. This VC, venture capital, provides guidance to the company and is a business and a business partner showing both risk and reward. Venture capital is important source of equity for a startup company. Venture capital inject equity finance with a solid capital base to future growth. Venture firms provide equity for business and aspire to 20 to 40% equity stake in company, and high return they expect within 3 to 4 years time. In India, venture capital and private equity association is a national level organization which support venture capital firm in India, IVCA. Also, the venture capital like company like Sequoia Capital India, Venture East, Intel Capital, Helion Venture Partners, DFL India, Nexus India Capital, Indo VS Ventures, DG India Ventures, and many other Norwest Venture Partners, Canon Partners, and others. They are supporting venture, they are giving finance, okay, they are dealing in venture capitals. Stages of the venture capital finances, there are 5 stages. Deal organizations, first they do what is the deal should to have with the people, with the business. Screening, they are always keep screening and monitoring. Evaluation and due diligence. Deal structuring, and also post investment activity and exit. How they, once they get their money back, how they have to come back of that company, okay, that are also there in this. So government scheme in funding business, generally they are having a pre-launch, launch, post-launch requirement. I told already, through SSI and other institution and non-government and central government institution we have spoken already. But we have to have discuss with we have to think about getting, okay, license from the shopping establishment, power, environment, okay, many other 24 departments. Generally it comes to get the NOC, etc. So that is, if it with some people, some license, something is registration is required in pre-launch, something is launching, and sometimes while you are working, executing your company, okay, operation is on. Procedure for the getting license and registration, this is mainly they do what I have discussed with you. This power, water, shopping establishment, environment, and many others like department, how exactly we have to get the registration before starting the things, okay. Challenges and difficulty starting enterprise, mostly we are having, mostly what the challenges we are having, mostly it is sometimes people are facing challenge problems already, okay, the labor problems, okay. The area which they are starting location, they will be, may not be having skill based people, non-skill laborers, or technically they are not that much having the knowledge. Managerial problems, sometimes they are not having proper business analyst who can give the business knowledge, who is having a business knowledge background. This also main problem. Some people are facing problem of in fact the knowledge of the product they don't have. So starting problem, people are not getting power, okay, sufficient power. If it is not getting power sanction, okay, and maybe water also, okay. So these are the things we have to discuss, we have to plan. Many things you must be having, any business or anything startup, you will be having lot of delay, and because of that delay, the company, suppose we have to pay the premium, we have to pay installment for the loan, that become a problem for the company. Thank you very much for this topic.